going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really good day. We are here to do a install first impression on a wig I got from one and only, Luvme Hair. I've collaborated with Luvme Hair probably like 5 times already. I'm not sure. And they seem to like me, so I'll just continue doing it. Alright, so the wig they sent me is the 180% density frontal lace wig. It's glueless and it's pre-plucked. The curls are popping. I already washed the wig. It was pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked a little bit more. But it had a part already in the middle, which I don't mind it, but it's already like a defined part, which, yeah. Like, I don't mind it, but I kind of do mind. But this is the wig. I bleached the knots and I went ahead and did a little bit of the plucking of the frontal. And let me give you a little bit more information on this. Like I said, this is the deep wave. I will leave the link below to this wig. It is in 22 inches. It comes with 4 combs inside. It comes with an adjustable strap. Actually, the strap is different from the band that they normally have. They normally just have a black band that is sewed in there. Now they're giving the adjustable strap, so you can adjust this if your head is a little bigger. You can use this strap to make the wig fit a little better. You can use it to make it feel smaller. So I really like the bra strap method to me because it gives people with different head sizes a chance. tell you something. I really do love this wig. First of all, the curls, I love the curls. It does get a little frizzy, but that's because, I mean, it's curly hair, what do you expect? What I do love about the hair is that when you saturate it, the curls pop like no other. I love that. The thing that I love the most is when the curls or when the hair has dried out and I comb it out, I comb the curls out and it gets really big. Listen, I feel like I'm Foxy Brown in the 90s, okay? I love my hair like that. I do love it that way, all right? And I may end up wearing it that way more often than I wear it this way. This way is cute, you know, this is cute if you're going to the office or if you're, you know, you want that wet look. I like big and I love it when it is actually combed out. So definitely I can wear this two ways. The thing I'm not really a fan of, but I can deal with it, is the defined part. That I feel like it should not, I don't know if they just, I don't know if all of the wigs, the deep wave wigs come like that, but I'm really not feeling the defined part because you're always going to have that part right there. I prefer a free part frontal and a closure. That way I can part it and do whatever I want to do with it on my own. I don't like the set part. Like, you can't beat this. Like, the curls are popping, okay? Not closure, but the frontal, it's not, I don't want to say it's invisible or undetectable lace, but it reminds me of undetectable lace. I don't think it is. I could be wrong, because the first wig that I got from them, which I purchased, was an undetectable lace, and it reminds me of that. So I'm not sure if it is undetectable. If it is, I'll let you know down below. But other than that, I'm really liking this wig. And you guys may say, oh, you probably get specialized wigs from them and blah, blah. No. I get the same wigs that you buy, all right? I just get the wig to review it. You buy the wig. That's all I can do. If you style the wig, if you do what you need to do with the wig will look the way you want it to look. If you don't do anything, you're not going to expect the same look or the results that I got. So it's not a special wig that I get. I just style it and I bleach my knots. I do what I have to do to the wig in order for it to look the way I want it to look. So I just want to come on here and give you guys a quick install video on this specific wig. I will leave the links down below. If you want me to do a customization of the frontal video, let me know. I have not done one in a very long time. I think I did a clip. Did I do a clip of one? I did a clip of one a while ago. But if you want me to show you an updated video, let me know, because I actually started doing it a different way. Let me know down below. If you want to purchase this wig or any other wig from Luvme Hair, use my code Sincerely20 for 20% off at checkout. I'm feeling this. I am so loving this hair. I really am. I can't stop looking in the mirror. It doesn't look good. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.